Ryan Breton has our forecast and kind of a tale of two states today with the weather.
Absolutely. Where I am, by the time I got up this morning, it was just rain. But you actually didn't have to travel that far inland to run into several inches of snow.
The line was close.
Yeah, that's for sure. Turner topping the list, as it should, right? Both Turner natives there, 5 inches there, close to 5 in Oxford, Freiburg just over 4, Bridgeton and Lewiston as well. Bangor about 3, and in Portland there really were just some flakes before the changeover to rain. And as you can see in Congress Square now, it's just rain, and there are some big puddles out there because it's been tough with the snow on the ground. Speaking of Paul Bunyan, maybe the next upgrade can be something that brushes the snow off after a little accumulation there, as you can see in Bangor right now. Southern Maine temperatures are near freezing just inland. Lewiston is at 31, Portland 33, Wiscasset and Rockland though up into the 40s. You can see not much steady precipitation. There may be a little mist or drizzle in spots. In eastern Maine we have had a changeover now that's gone all the way up to Calais and around Bangor too, but still snowing to the north of Bangor, but that won't last too much longer this evening. There are a couple of cold fronts to the west, and as these come through tomorrow, the wind will pick up. It won't be super windy, but there will be some gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour tomorrow, and then the next system, which is pretty similar to this one but a bit weaker, comes in tomorrow night into Friday. So we'll show you that here hour by hour. If you're stepping out this evening, temperatures don't drop quickly, but they will be dropping to around freezing. So be aware that there may be some patches of black ice, and there could be a snow shower in the mountains tomorrow morning as that cold front comes through. Otherwise tomorrow, a lot of sunshine through the middle of the day, and then later in the afternoon, some clouds will come in from the west ahead of the next system. And temperatures tomorrow don't rise a whole lot. We start the day near freezing, and high temperatures will generally be in the mid-30s, closer to freezing though for highs in the mountains and far north. And you can see the wind here at times tomorrow will gust up to about 30 miles per hour. Now tomorrow night, if you have any evening plans, it's dry through 9 or 10 o'clock, and then the next round of snow comes in near midnight in southern and western Maine, and then after midnight in eastern Maine. It is going to be a bit colder, so this snow will accumulate, and it could mix with a bit of rain again near the coastline. I don't see this being a long-lasting system. Probably by late morning or noon, it's done just about everywhere, and there actually could be a scattered rain shower out there Saturday afternoon. For most of us, it's 1 to 3 inches, and I think there are probably a lot of ones near the coastline unless we don't see any changeover. In the western foothills and mountains, though, there could be a few spots that pick up another 3 to 5 inches by midday Saturday. That pulls away, and another round of cold comes in for Sunday, even colder than tomorrow will be. Teens in the mountains, 20s in central and southern Maine on Sunday. Monday remains bright and cold, and then as this high shifts offshore, milder air starts to come back in for the middle of next week, and the next system on Wednesday looks to track to our west, and that could end up being a mainly rain event even far inland next Wednesday. For tomorrow, seas running 6 to 8 feet. Small craft advisory is up on the water. So for tomorrow, it's going to be a breezy day. Temperatures won't rise a whole lot. In fact, they'll fall in the late afternoon. Then tomorrow night, the next round of snow moves in. I think the accumulation is done by late morning or midday Saturday. And Saturday afternoon actually should be fairly mild. Then cold for Sunday and Monday, but we bounce back middle of next week. And that next system could be mostly rain as it looks right now. Maybe some snow or mix to start, but it looks to be a warmer track.
Yeah, big rebound in the temperatures
a
week from now.
This is typical late February, March, all over.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.